Welcome all of you in today's session. Now, India's political culture and dynamics is going to change in the coming years and decades. Why? Because suddenly we have seen a new era of women-powered elections. Women are empowered and they will decide the future. India के अंदर identity politics, caste, region, religion, all these things definitely decide the electoral outcome. But now a new, maybe not identity I would say, but yes, a group called women who will decide the future. And recently जो elections हुए हैं, both Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the results are astonishing. In Maharashtra election, how paying $18 to a woman won an election? $18 मतलब technically around 1500 rupees. So Maharashtra government came July में, in the last 6 months पहले, the BJP government lost elections heavily with their lowest tally. वो 41 से 17 पे आ गए. Now this is because they could not perform well in the 2024 elections. Now this led to a situation where यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किया and they gave benefits to the women. जब women को आपने benefit दिए, it led to a situation where women overwhelmingly, women were voted to people in a very overwhelmingly manner. So लड़की बहन योजना, the scheme that powered BJP Mahayuti to win big Maharashtra win. और interesting बात ये है that this is the best ever tally, 235 out of 288, 288 में 235, best ever tally where BJP got 132 seats out of 149. यानी 149 में 132 seats BJP को मिले with a strike rate of around 88%. Even the vote, अगर vote share कहें तो more than 25%, 27% vote women जो vote BJP को मिला. And the areas where women voter ज्यादा थे वहां पे vote swing हुआ towards BJP and that is unprecedented. तो जून बजट में 25 मिलियन वुमेन यानी 2.5 करोड़ वुमेन को 1500 रुपए का मंथली जो है बेनिफिट मिलना स्टार्ट हुआ एंड दिस लेड टू अ सिचुएशन दिस वेयर गवर्नमेंट का जो इनकम बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर स्कीम था एक बहुत ही पॉलिटिकल आउटकम को चेंज कर दिया. नाउ रिमेंबर व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज़ सिमिलर आउटकम ऑपोजिशन ने ट्राई किया इन झारखंड एंड दे आल्सो वॉन द इलेक्शन अगेन हैंडसमली. सो दीज आर थिंग्स दैट हैव टू बी अंडरस्टूड. और अपोजिशन को समझ में नहीं आया कि हो क्या रहा है and the benefit has changed the outcome of the elections in India in the coming days. Similarly, Jharkhand का win where Hemant Soren was in jail. उनको corruption के केस में ED के अंडर में जेल में थे and he came out of the jail. अपने beard बढ़ाए, he made a belief, told the people that see I am the victim, मेरे साथ गलत हुआ है. He was able to collect and galvanize the tribal votes. वहां पे उन्होंने division नहीं होने दिया. Similarly, he also came with a government scheme जहां पर वुमेन लेड स्कीम को लेके आए एंड दिस वेयर द स्कीम वाज झारखंड मुख्यमंत्री मैया सम्मान योजना. तो मैया सम्मान योजना स्कीम लेके आए वेयर 1000 रुपीज जो है वो एलिजिबल वुमेन को मिला. 21 to 50 years एज ग्रुप में वुमेन विल गेट एंड द पेमेंट इन दिस स्कीम आर डायरेक्टली डिपॉजिटेड इन द बैंक अकाउंट बाय 15th एवरी मंथ. सो 1000 रुपी इन दिस एज. ऑल्सो महिला सम्मान पेंशन योजना वेयर वुमेन जो एल्डरली वुमेन है उनको सोशल सिक्योरिटी मिलेगा इन द पेंशन फॉर्म एंड डायरेक्टली आपके अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर होगा. द बेनिफिट जो अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर हो रहा है डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट के फॉर्म में, दीज बेनिफिट विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे इन चेंजिंग द वे पॉलिटिक्स इज डन इन द कंट्री. अगर वुमेन को बेनिफिट मिलेगा तो शी विल वोट बियॉन्ड द कास्ट लाइन, बियॉन्ड द रिलीजन लाइन, बियॉन्ड द रीजन लाइन्स एंड दे बिलीव दैट देयर एम्पावरमेंट विल लीड टू द एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. एक बहुत ही सिंपल लॉजिक है, यानी फ्यूचर हमारा क्या होने वाला है. दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जेंडर बजटिंग where we are targeting not the caste but the gender, and gender has no caste, every gender. So as a collective देखिए, now whether rich or poor everybody will vote for the government who will support them. So gender budgeting is one area which will be there. You are going to see more women participation. Now in 1972 and 1992 and 93 में women को reservation मिला in local bodies. 33% reservation was given to women. That changed to 50% in many states like Gujarat and similarly in Bihar. But अब क्या है, by 2029 we'll witness one more phenomena where 1/3 women reservation will be given to in the parliament also and state elections also. So state legislative assembly and in the parliament women are going to get 1/3 reservation and that is will again change. So women will decide the future. And now it is said that if you want to measure the progress of a society, just see the progress women has achieved. If you want to see the progress of a family, you need to empower the woman, because if woman is empowered, the whole family is empowered. If woman is educated, the whole family is educated. If woman is more politically conscious and aware, they will decide the future outcome of the country kahan jayega. So this will change the politics of the country in the coming years. That is what my belief is. The reason why I am telling you, in the eras of 70s, late 70s, there was Mandal and Kamandal politics. So mandal means reservation based, kamandal means the rise of maybe the Hindu vote group जो rise हुआ Hindu nationalism के form में. But that also kind of made a belief that today that has changed, that essence in the caste form और वो है आज भी, but now here women, the gender will decide the outcome. तो ये elections का outcome बदलेगा because this will be copied by almost every state at varied level. Interesting बात एक और है that in Maharashtra itself, women को जो benefit मिलना start हुआ, they trusted the government. But the जो opposition था, उन्होंने क्या किया? They doubled the benefit, but still vote नहीं मिला. Interestingly, because the government in power was able to convince कि बजट में इतना पैसा नहीं है, हम आपको प्रॉमिस तो करेंगे लेकिन उतना ही प्रॉमिस करेंगे जो हम दे पाएंगे. So it is also about how well you are able to deliver your promises on ground, because that will decide the future outcome of the country. तो कोई भी वुमेन है, कोई भी वुमेन है, अगर वो इस बात पे बिलीव करती है that if government will benefit me, my income, because here lot of women are also BPL families से हैं, lower income group से हैं, household work करते हैं, छोटा काम करते हैं, and their income support of maybe 1000 rupees, 1500, 1200, जो भी आपको मिलता है एक बहुत बड़ा benefit होता है. And in Maharashtra, this benefit will increase to 2100. So women powered election होगा, women will decide the future, and India का जो electoral outcome है बदलेगा. And it is said famously by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar that I measure the progress of a community with the degree of progress woman has achieved in the country. यानी देश में अगर ये देखना है कि कितना सक्सेस आपने पाया है, try to see. If woman is more literate, she is more educated, she is more empowered, she can do job, she'll change the dynamics of the country. If woman is more economically empowered, she has a stronger decision making and she has the ability to do things in a better way. So these are the realities of the women-led elections. The dynamics of Indian elections are going to change forever. It is only the start, the beginning. शुरुआत अच्छी हुई है. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि ये बेनिफिट कहां तक जाता है, and how this competitive politics of doling out benefit will change the future outcomes of the election. Thank you very much. Take care. God bless you. Do subscribe to the channel. You can join our Telegram channel. You can also look at the courses at IIS. So we have foundation course, 1 year, 2 year, Sarthak mentoring course, NCRT courses. You can reach out to the team and get personal guidance and mentoring and take your preparation to the next level. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.